I'm Jen Cook, and welcome to Bahia Property Management. Now, I want to share with you 3 things that I think are very important when you're looking to hire a property management company in the area of Riverview, Florida. So, number 1, you definitely want to find out if they have a good or bad reputation, especially in Riverview. You want to know whether or not they are good with their customers, whether they are very responsive. So nowadays you can go onto Google, you can go onto YouTube, social media, and you can actually find testimonials on the property management company. I recommend that you do that. It will give you a very good indication of whether they have a good reputation or not. So number 2, you definitely want to ask, how much experience do you have managing properties in Riverview? That is going to be a very key question that you need to ask, because the more experience that a property management company has, the better they're going to be with your properties. They're going to have weathered the storms. They're going to know how to handle issues that will come up. So it's super important that you ask those questions. Number 3, not all property management companies are members of the National Association of Residential Property Managers, NARPM. Now, this organization sets the standard, professional standard, and ethical standard for property management companies. So you want to ask if they're a member of NARPM. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Bahia Property Management. So with Bahia Property Management, it's not just one person that's handling your property. You have a whole team of experts, from accounting to rent collections to evictions when necessary. I mean, we all know exactly what we're doing, and everybody knows how to handle whatever situation comes our way. So in addition to that, we also have an owner's portal that you can log in, and you can access any document, anything at any point in time, just with a click of a button. So that's one thing. Now, another thing, we are super responsive to maintenance issues. So our maintenance team is on call 24/7. So when we get that call, the leaky toilet from the tenant at 2 o'clock in the morning, guess who's going to take that call? We are Bahia Property Management in the Riverview area. Now, we also have a 120-day money-back guarantee that we offer all our landlords. Because let's face it, sometimes it's just not a right match, and that's fine. But let us prove to you that we know what we're doing, that we've weathered the storms, that we have a good reputation, and that we have tons of experience. So if you're looking to hire a property management company and you want to know more about Bahia Property Management in Riverview, please give us a call at 813-966-9324. We look forward to serving you.